I have a concrete pool with fiberglass panels on the top 3 feet. I'm replacing the concrete around the pool and I need coping that slides over the fiberglass, which is 1/4 of an inch thick, and receives the concrete. There is no liner. Can you help suggest the coping that I need that would slide over the 1/4 inch thick fiberglass panel?
Yes. So the same coping that you would use for a vinyl liner pool, CP2 coping would be one example, that has a bull nose face to it. It doesn't slide over that, it screws down to the fiberglass panel. So what you could do is buy any vinyl liner coping and mount it to the top of the steel. Most of those pools that I've seen that have been built in this area had a pre-built in coping the exact same shape as a vinyl liner coping, and when those broke over time and the panel broke down and the panels had to be fixed, or the top had to be fixed, that was cut off, and then a brand new aluminum coping was drilled down from the top, and then you pour your concrete into that. So what I would do is I would look into how a vinyl liner pool is built and see what they have for vinyl liner coping, and you would do it the exact same way as that.